Hello students, today we are going to learn about the topic median, that is how to find the median of given data. And in the last class, in the last video, I had told what is the mean of the median, what is the mean of the data handling, what does mean by data handling, and how to arrange the data, and what is the mode, what is median, what is range, what is data frequency, what is mean, all that thing I told. And in this video I will tell how to find the mean, mode, median by using the formula of large value data. And before that, first I will say what is the frequency table, or how to make the frequency table of a large data. Let's take one example first. This example is the following data gives the number of children in 40 families, that 1 2 6 5 1 5 etc. That is given here, that how many childs are there in the 40th family. In one family there is one child, in the second family there is two child, in the third family 6 children are there, in the fourth family 5 children are there. It's like this, all about the 40 families children data is given there, and we have to make a frequency table by using this data. Let's see how to make. Look at here, required frequency table distribution. Frequency distribution table, the number of children. Frequency means in how many families the number of children is 0, that is no number of children are there, that is the total 5 number of families. In the 5 number of families the number of children is 0. Here the 1 number of children is 1 and frequency is 7. That means in the 7 number of families there is only 1 children or 1 child. Then in the third the number of children is 2, whereas the frequency is 11. That is in the 11 families there are 2 children. Then next the number of children is 3 and the frequency is 5. That is in the 5 families the number of children are 3. So as like this we can make the 40 families. Here we made about the 40 families data in a by a tabulation format, which makes our understanding very much better. Here in this short table we could know all about the 40 families children, that is the frequency table. Okay, then comes to median. As I have discussed in the last video, in the previous video, that the median is the middle number when the number are in order. Here the numbers are, the data are 9 7 3 6 10 4 1. First of all, to make the median, to find the median, first of all we have to arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. Here I have arranged 1 3 4 6 7 9 10, where the middle number is 6, whereas in the right side of 6 there are 3 numbers, in the left side of 6 there are 3 numbers, and the middle number is 6, hence we can say 6. This is the one way to find the median, and also we can find the median by using the formula also. Either the data, that is the number of data given, is odd, or the number of data given is even. There are two formula. If the number of data is odd, that means the odd number of data is given, like 9 11 13 31 33, like this odd number of data is given, then the formula is n plus 1 by 2 th observation. That is, in the place of n we have to put the number of data, how much number of data is there. If the number of data is 9, then we have to put 9 plus 1 by 2, that is fifth number of observation. In the total observation, what is the fifth number value, that will be the median. And if the number of data is even, n is even, that is the number of data is even, then the formula is n by 2 th plus n by 2 plus 1 th observation by divided by 2. This is the formula for the if the number of data is odd and if the number of data is even, to find the median. Let's check one example. Find the median of first 15 odd number. Look at a first 15 odd number. 15 means it is a it is an odd number of data. So total 15 number of data is given. So what is the formula I told to find the median of data if the number of data is odd? That is a n plus 1 by 2. th of observation. And look at here, then n is 15 and median is 15 plus 1 by 2 th observation. 15 plus 1 16 by 2, that means 8th observation. Now look at here, what is the 8th observation of the data? 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 21 23 25 27 29. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, means 15 is the 8th number of observation, hence 15 is the median here. Let's take the another example. The data which is given here, that is the 3 11 7 2 5 9 9 2 10. So first all the data has arranged here in the ascending order, that is in 2 2 3 5 7 9 9 10 11. The total number of data is 9, that is the n is 9 here. So if the number of data is n is odd, then what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2 th observation, that is n plus 1 by 2 th observation, that is 5th observation. And here in this data you can see 5th observation 2 2 3 5 7, the 5th observation is 7, hence the median is 7 here. Let's take the another example. Find the median of the following data: 10, 32, 17, 19, 21, 22, 9, 35. Here the number of data is 8. That means the number of data is even. So first data is arranged in the ascending order, that is 9, 10, 17, 19, 21, 22, 32, 35. Then the number of data n is even here. Then what is the formula to find the median of even number of data? Half into 9 by 2 th observation plus 9 by 2 plus 1 th observation. Here most of the students are doing here, that is the formula which is here is 9 by 2 plus 1. Most of the student here writing this 9 plus 1 by 2, that is the wrong. Most of the students what are doing. So you be careful, don't write any wrong formula. So the formula is half into n by 2 th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 th observation, where n is 8. 8 by 2, that is the 4th observation, plus 9 by 2, 8 by 2 plus 1, that is 5th observation. Then the median is 20. And this is how you can find the median by using the formula. Thank you. If you have not seen our previous video, I will give the link in the description. You can go through that.